A boat that floats. John lived on Cold Cove. The home sat in a row on Doe Road. John's cat, Joe, napped while boats floated past. One day, John strolled to the dock. "It is boat show day," Mr. Poe said. "We will show the most boats on the coast," Mrs. Poe added. "I own this rowboat," said Mrs. Poe. "Can I get in?" asked Joe. "We will both go in," said Mrs. Poe. "I'll row." She rowed and rowed, then a patched-up hole broke open. Water flowed in the boat. "No!" groaned Mrs. Poe. "The boat is getting low. Let's make the load less," yelled Mrs. Poe. "Let's throw out this rope." Mrs. Poe and John waved at a boat. "It's Mr. Poe," yelled John. "Help us! This boat will not float." Mr. Poe picked them up. "I will own a boat one day," said John. "What kind?" asked Mr. Poe. John smiled. "A boat that floats." A clean beach. Mom woke us up. "Get up, Dee. Get up, Jean." "But it isn't time," we said. "No sleeping in today. We are going to the beach," said Mom. We sat in the back seat. Mom told us to dress in jeans. "Why?" I asked. "You will see," said Mom. When we got to the beach, I ran to the sand. I could smell the sea. I could feel the breeze. Then Mom showed us why we had come. A man held a sign. It said, "Clean up your beach. Please help." "We need to clean up," Jean said. I agreed. The man asked us to please put the trash in the bags. He told us to leave shells, rocks, and seaweed on the beach. We picked up bags, cans, and junk. Mom picked up a green bottle. We filled 3 bags with trash. Then we piled the bags in a heap. We had a seat on the beach and rested. Mom said, "Wasn't that fun?" Now the beach is clean. I hope it will stay that way. The end.